Hey beautiful people, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to reveal few of my secret home remedies that I follow on a regular basis. So starting from now, every week I'm going to share one video on my all-time favorite remedies. So moving on, let's find out what are those secret home remedies. So my first secret home remedy is I use a nourishing face and body massage oil right after my bath. So to prepare the massage oil, you just need 2 ingredients. So take a clean bottle and pour some coconut oil, around 1/4 cup of coconut oil and 2 to 3 drops of rose essential oil. Apply all over your face and neck and gently massage. The blend of coconut oil and rose essential oil address the signs of aging and help skin maintain a smooth and youthful glow, and also you smell good and feel energized. Second secret is to manage stress and headache. So I think we all are aware of the fact that stress affects our skin. It causes skin aging and dullness. So to manage stress and anxiety, I massage a few drops of lavender essential oil on both sides of my head and forehead. This oil helps reduce stress, headache and promotes relaxation. Now the third secret is to keep my eyebrows thick and dark. I gently rub some pure organic castor oil on my eyebrows at night before bedtime. Castor oil is extremely effective for thickening and for regrowing hairs. Now my fourth secret is I use a homemade hydrating cleanser to remove my makeup. So in a clean bottle, pour equal amount of coconut oil and rose water. Shake well before use. With the help of a cotton ball, I wipe my face gently and I repeat until my face is left with almost no makeup. Later, I wash my face with a foaming cleanser. Works great to remove stubborn makeup without causing skin dryness or skin irritation. So to get rid of my dead skin cells and blackheads, I use a paste of baking powder mixed with a few drops of glycerine and some water. The idea is to make a thick grainy paste so that it can exfoliate your skin. So I applied it all over my face and gently rub for 30 seconds, mostly targeting the areas where I have blackheads. So rinse off with cool water followed by moisturizer. This instantly leaves my skin smoother and amazing, and I use this once in a week. Now moving on to my sixth secret is to prevent hyperpigmentation, to remove tan and for a flawless youthful complexion. I make sure to massage raw chilled milk on my face at least thrice in a week. So take some milk and massage all over your face until fully absorbed. Milk massage fights skin discoloration, spots, prevents skin darkening and gives you a soft, lustrous, smooth baby complexion. So I use a blend of aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil as a daytime moisturizer. It revives and brightens my skin tone, repairs damaged skin, helps fight spots and gives a younger glowing skin. So here are few of my all-time favorite remedies that I religiously follow to keep my skin problems at bay and to maintain my skin youthfulness and glow. So I hope you found this video useful. So for more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel.